This is AccuSizer software training on working with regions. To work with regions, let's first open up a result. I'll open this result. Here is a result. And before I get started, I may want to change the units here on the y-axis. To change the units, right-click inside the graph, click on Units, and you can change from counts versus size to, for instance, counts per ml versus size. Just make sure you have the units you want before we get started. To create a region, I right-click in the graph, come down to Regions, and click Add. I will create a region that starts at 1 micron and goes up to 10 microns. I will leave both of these at No for now. I'll click OK, and you'll see this darker gray area is the region we just defined. I can now right-click within this region, click on Regions, and look at Statistics. And this will give me information about the number of counts and counts per ml within this region. For instance, I see here there are 1.256 times e to the 4 number of counts in that region. Below here I can see the mean median mode for the number, the area, and the volume distribution. So I've created a region, and now I see how many counts are within that region. I can add additional regions. I can right-click again within the graph anywhere, click Regions, Add again, and this time I'll go from 10 to 400 microns. Click OK, and now we have two regions, the 1 to 10 and the 10 to 400. Again, I could right-click, look at Regions, and look at Statistics. So here's the information I have for the counts in the mean median mode within either of these regions. I can also view this data by coming into the Sample Explorer, clicking on Region Summary, and if I click here, below I'll see the data for the first region 1 to 10. If I click here, I'll see the data for the second region from 10 to 400. I'll go back to here, and I can remove regions anytime I want by clicking on Regions, Remove, or I could edit the size ranges. I will remove that region, or I could click on Regions, Remove All. So here I can get information for different regions, but there is not a way to print or report on those various regions. If we want to create reports for specified size ranges, then we need to go into Analyses and define the regions within the Analysis Definition Manager. I will cover that in a separate video. So that is how to get data from regions of interest within the AccuSizer software.